What's up, guys? Welcome back. And well, if you can't tell already, we're doing a whole lot of something different today. River levels are extremely low. Green race is next Saturday, and well, the pad's still breaking. So we're doing green race training another way. Either way, I picked up riding about 2 years ago-ish. Figured I'd drag you guys along for the ride. Regardless, have a little bit of fun. Try not to slide out on all these leaves that are down. But we're at the base of Burton Mountain at the moment, climbing up. And hopefully it's not completely covered in leaves and I actually can figure out where to go. Oh, straight into it. It's so much faster to take that straight, but not that comfortable with it.
Good bud.
Thanks. Just me.
Hey, do most people ride this the other way?
They do. Hello. Yeah.
What have we done?
You'll have a whole lot more fun if you climb up the other way. I'll show you where it is. Yeah, no, you're good. Definitely a good reason to keep your head up, that's for sure. Huh. Really want, oh gosh, a lot of speed. Early. Ah. Ooh. How's it going? On your left. You're good. I don't know whose terrible idea this was, but I have my own trail. Granted, full disclosure to all the people who put in all the hard work, I have no idea why this trail is here. I don't know who built it or what. I had no part in this, but ironically enough, it's here, so it's all mine. I think it's technically a blue intermediate trail. A little bit of slick rock, a little bit of chunk, a little bit of roots. Really flowy. Oh yeah. Nice little sunset overlook. Little field goal post. Love that. coincidentally, I am wearing all camo and it's hunting season, but once we put that aside, Ridgeline's been completely reworked and I have not made it out here, so. And if I seem out of shape, I rode Burt and Big Rock before this, and Wilkie, and it just so happens I had an hour of daylight left. So here we are. Oh God. Loose leafy corner. Oh yeah, they made it one way. I didn't know they reworked this. So I have no idea what's going on. Lots of water bars. It's so fast. And rock armor. Roller bars are almost like a jump trail at this point. Oh, I always wanted this corner to be better. That used to be the worst corner on this whole track. It's just a bermed corner, but it was loose and flat rather than banked in. And it's a hairpin. Oh yeah. Ooh. And that is the new Ridgeline rework. I like it. That's gonna do it for me today, guys. Cannot feel my legs anymore. And I'm going home. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you next time.